Genis, Member of Parliament for Sherwood Park, Fort Saskatchewan in Alberta. Since getting elected 5 years ago, I've been shocked by some of the horrific human rights abuses going on around the world, and I've tried to use my voice in the Canadian Parliament to bring attention to those issues and to call for a stronger response from the Government of Canada. In the midst of a challenging environment in general for human rights around the world, there really is no situation worse than the ongoing genocide of Uyghur Muslims in China. This is a systematic attempt by the Chinese government to eradicate Uyghur faith, Uyghur culture, and also to eradicate Uyghur people. This meets most of the criteria, if not all of the criteria, of a genocide. And I'm asking you to join me in taking action to call on the Government of Canada to recognize what is happening, to recognize that a genocide is happening, and to call for the government to have targeted sanctions, Magnitsky sanctions, against individuals who are involved in planning and executing this genocide against Uyghur Muslims. I have a parliamentary petition that asks people to sign in support of that recognition and in support of Magnitsky sanctions. And every time I get 30 signatures on that petition, I can table it in the House of Commons, make a statement about the issue, and the government has to provide a response. My goal is to get thousands and thousands of these signatures so that I and other members can table petitions over and over and over again, continually highlighting the genocide of Uyghur Muslims and the need for action. So remember, every 30 signatures I get, that becomes a petition that I will table in the House of Commons, bringing attention to this issue. So I would encourage you to learn more about the Uyghur genocide, to speak out about it, to bring more attention to it, and also to help me gather the signatures I need to bring more light to this issue and call for a stronger response by the Government of Canada.